Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are going to be adding the first circle of our new doily. Before you begin, you want to look at your previous doily and you want to match it up to the design that you used for it and make sure it is laying out correctly. Now with this one, your string should be coming out of the left side of the first bead of your current doily that you are working on. So with our string coming out of the left side, we want to add our next set of beads in this order. So for me that will be 3 highs and then 2 lows. So that will be 3 greens and 2 pinks. Now as our string is coming out the left side, we will enter from the right so that it is coming out also on the left side. And now we have added the first circle of our current doily. Now we want to be at the bottom of our first circle, so we're going to go through those first 3 beads again. And now you are all ready to start adding your next set of beads. Hope to see you in the next video.